Hello, everyone. This is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're looking at the Alta Park Central, and now we're about to go into the bedrooms. We already saw this living room and the kitchen. So pretty. Just love the feel here. Everything is light, bright, modern, and fun. But now, hey, let's go check out the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is here. It is a king bed. Man, you got a lot of space in here. You can king bed it in here. You've got some great beautiful spaces in here, a lot of space. This is really quite wide. So with some huge windows here. In this case, they're overlooking the pool. So that's cool to see that. And then over here, let's go into the bathroom. The bathroom is dual sink. So love that feel. Very pretty dual sink with some mirrors. Look at this flooring. The flooring is gorgeous. And then this has a walk-in shower. So you're going to have a really nice walk-in shower. It's going to be fun. This is the closet. The closet is adorable. It's really pretty. It's got a lot of storage too. And I like all the built-in storage that's here too. That's really nice. Very functional. Let's go to part over here to number two. And this is bedroom number two. This is also the guest bath. And so this bedroom could have a king in here. This looks more like a queen, maybe even a double, but it's nice. There's plenty of space in here. This actually has a desk. That's really cool. I have something like that in my home, that little desk that's there. So that's really, really nice. And then you've got this over here. So it's very pretty over here. This is what this looks like. It has great windows here with a lot of light. So it's important to see that. It's great to see that. And then the color is kind of a really light. I wouldn't say teal. It's maybe tealish gray. It's just very, very light. It's super nice. Very easy to work with. In the bathroom, this is the guest bathroom, and so there is a really pretty countertop. It's got a beautiful mirror, and then we walk in. The floor is really pretty too, and then here's the shower. And it goes all the way up to the ceiling, by the way, the backsplash. That's really nice. And then here is the walk-in closet. So the walk-in closet is very pretty. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below. In my opinion, this is a very pretty two-bedroom. This would be great for two roommates, for a married couple, you and that sweetheart, to one person that wants to have guests, whatever you want to have here. This would be a great apartment for that. Go ahead and send me a request to send it, to see it. What you can do is see it with a virtual tour. We'll take care of that. We'll basically walk around just like this and show you the exact apartments that fit your needs. And we'll do it for free. It's a free part of our free service. So send me your request in right now for a virtual tour, or just ask questions. And I look forward to hearing from you. My number is below.